150 किलोमीटर हात सोडून सायकल चलोवन गोयचो वैभव राजमानेन वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड केलो। ताच्या ह्या रिकॉर्डाची गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्डान नोंद जाल्या। गोयचे फामाद कलाकार सुबोध केरकर हांचे कडेन वैभव राजमाने व्हिडिओ एडिटर म्हणून कामाक आसा। हो ब्रेक परफॉर्मन्स पळोवन कलाकार सुबोध केरकर हांणी खोस उक्तायल्या।
Vaibhav Rajmane is working for me as a video editor and for almost more than a year. He started working with me even when he was a student, and cycling has been his hobby, and he always wanted to break this record. And I think he has already broken the records of the viewership of my reels which I create. So one of the reels which he edited got 7.5 million views. So he is in the business of breaking records, and I'm very sure that this record of riding a bicycle without holding the handle, he will definitely break. He has already broken it unofficially. The present record is, I think, something like 130 some kilometers, and now he's going to make it 150 or 160. And I'm very sure. I think it is very important to have faith, endurance, believe in it oneself. This is very important, and I must always encourage young people who have faith in themselves and who want to create records in all spheres of life. So I very much encourage this, and I wish him all the best, and I'm sure he will do it tonight.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर पणजेच्यान समीप नार्वेकर।